Hi, welcome to the TMC Newsroom. I'm Greg Galitzine. With me today is Garrison Macri of Comverse. Garrison, welcome to the program.
Nice to see you, Greg. Thank you.
Nice to see you. Thank you. Maybe for our viewers, you can give them a little bit of background. Who is Comverse, and what is it that you guys do?
Sure. Comverse is a global middleware company. We have about 500 different customers around the globe in 120 different countries. And we provide, we're not an infrastructure company, but we're more of a middleware company where we provide converged messaging, value-added services messaging, MMS, SMS, instant messaging, internet gateways, as well as converged billing solutions, and also IP communication solutions like telephony application servers.
Right. So with that suite of products, you're probably in a pretty good position to determine what the trends are in the carrier space, you know, sort of what's happening out there.
Well, actually, it's amidst a pretty interesting economic troubled situation. There's a lot of opportunities out there for operators and for customers going forward that we're trying to help with. Operators are in a difficult situation with the profits being squeezed, so they're looking at both managing operating expenses more carefully, and also coming to the market with more compelling propositions. And we're able to help in both those areas. One big trend is IP-fication. Excuse the buzzword, but the IP backbone, creating really a significant cost savings for operators. And the other key area is really convergence in the offerings, both bringing mobile convergence together, but also mobile with internet with IPTV is a main trend, and we're trying to help the industry develop in that area.
Okay. So you mentioned the IP-ification, right?
Yeah.
That trend, and it's true the industry is progressing rather rapidly, I would say, from TDM to IP. And that opens up a whole slew of opportunities in terms of applications and services. Are there any particular services that you're seeing that perhaps are enjoying more of an uptake than others?
Right. Well, we do, and it's fun to be in an industry, by the way, that is in a time of when economic troubles, where we're having a lot of activity going on. Right. So that's just an overall comment. But the hot products, if you will, are visual voicemail. So visual voicemail has been in the market for a little bit, but it's really catching on. Recent research said 81% of people would want visual voicemail, 68% are willing to pay for it, and 40% would use voicemail more. And then when you go from visual voicemail, you go visual voicemail to MMS, visual voicemail to email, and that's when you start to see the convergence between voicemail on the internet. So you go to your internet, and you can start listening to your voicemail on the internet. It's much more readily accessible. Right. We just announced with BlackBerry, visual voicemail on BlackBerry. So you're going through your BlackBerry to see email. Now you go through your BlackBerry to see email and your voicemails, and they're organized for you. So these are the earlier term things that we're seeing the market demand. But in addition to that, as we said, we're going to converged inbox, so that you can go to your inbox on your internet. You'll have all of your messages from yourself. So I'd have Greg's MMSs, SMSs, instant messages, and there will be a day in the future where you'll have all of that on IPTV as well. I don't know whether you're ready for that or not, but
well, I'm ready for it. I'll tell you that.
That's great.
I'm ready for that. So you did mention IPTV. How is that progressing globally? I know that here in the United States, there's trials and there's some rollouts in some sort of greenfield type communities, but on a global scale, from where you sit, how does the opportunity look?
The larger carriers are clearly leading, but IPTV is happening.